Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today I'm gonna be talking about handphone holders. So as far as we know, all the available handphone holders, they tend to be a bit shaky, and when you go on rough road, it just goes clack, 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 and there's a chance that it might actually fall off as well. So what have I done? What have I done? I would like to know as well. So I've prototyped and actually printed quite a number of these. So as you can see, this is for the Myvi. So start off with the base model, okay, then after that came up with this. Before that, I actually came up with a couple of these. Okay, I was testing the size to make sure that it fits into the phone holder that I have, and then I noticed that this design is a bit ugly because it looks like a mouse hole. Okay, so I've changed it up, put it to the side here, and then tried different textures. This is the shiny one, kind of like this, but it's sort of melted. Okay, then after that, testing the angle of the mount, quite a number of it. Then decided that, you know what, these clips at the back that I mirror the original is kind of useless, so I made it in such a way that it is using screws. Okay, so it has just two holes like that, and the end product, all in all, I think I did 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 prototypes before I managed to get a nice one. Okay, one that is nice and tight, does not move. Okay, so the hole is actually over here. Okay, so I can actually route the cable in and then go through the side here and then go into the car body using this grommet and then here. Okay, but I don't have a long enough cable right now, so didn't do that. Then I was thinking, you know what, why do I do it the same for the Alphard as well? So yep, this is the original, and this is the mock-up, the first, and then tried 1, tried 2, and you know what, I didn't have to go through 20 iterations of it, and I've came out with this. Okay, there's no screw holes as well because this original uses clips that is separated from this item, so nice and tight, doesn't wobble, doesn't shake. Again, there is a hole at the back here that I can actually go through this, but I have not had the time to do that yet. You can actually go through the grommet and then come back in and go here. Okay, so I don't have a cable that's long enough, and also I do not have the time to do that yet, but hey, this works, yo. Okay, so pretty neat. Just stop sharing this with you guys, short video. Till next time, I'll see you again.